Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to tonsillitis. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. Tonsil infections are common among children in Albany. When these glands at the back of the neck, which aid the immune system by protecting against germs and viruses, swell and get infected, pain and agony ensue. There are some things you can do at home to help your child feel better and recover faster. What exactly is tonsillitis? Tonsillitis is the medical word for a tonsil infection. The majority of cases are caused by viral infections, with bacterial infections accounting for 15 to 30% of the time. Tonsillitis is more common in children than in adults. The tonsils serve an important function in protecting the body from pathogens when we are young, but they diminish with age. Tonsil infections are uncommon by the late adolescent years. What is the prevalence of tonsillitis? Most Albany children will have at least one bout of tonsillitis. Is a tonsillectomy still the most effective treatment? Although surgery was once frequent, removal of the tonsils by a technique known as a tonsillectomy is now normally reserved for only the most severe instances. In generally healthy patients, doctors instead use a wait-and-see approach, allowing the virus to run its course. Of course, we do not want our children to suffer. If your child has tonsillitis, your Albany ear, nose, and throat doctor recommends the following home treatments. Consuming warm drink, soup, broth, and tea are all good for coating and soothing a sore throat. Ingredients included in many herbal teas, such as honey or glycerin, promote the creation of a protective layer over the mucous membranes of the mouth and throat, which helps reduce inflammation. Consuming cold foods. In the past, children were offered ice cream as a prize for having their tonsils removed. There was some logic to this. Cold, soft meals numb the throat, relieving discomfort. Aside from ice cream, frozen yogurt, popsicles, and smoothies will also do the trick. Hard meals should be avoided. Foods with hard or sharp edges, such as potato chips, crackers, cereal, toast, apples, and carrots, can scrape and irritate the throat, exacerbating swelling. Stick to soft meals instead, such as Jell-O, mashed potatoes, and scrambled eggs. Using salt water to gargle. A saltwater gargle might help relieve throat discomfort. It's simple to create. Simply dissolve a quarter teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water, swirl, and gargle for a few seconds before spitting the water out. Making use of a humidifier. Using a humidifier or vaporizer to add moisture to the air will help soothe a dry, scratchy throat and reduce discomfort. Don't you have one? Turn on the shower, check the water temperature, and close the bathroom door. Inhaling the heated steam has the same effect. Taking a breather when your throat is enlarged. Speaking, or even whispering, exerts tension on the vocal cords, causing discomfort. The greatest thing you can do is relax your voice by speaking as little as possible. Getting enough rest enables your body to strengthen itself in order to fight illness. Staying in bed for a few days instead of going to school, where your child is at risk of infecting others anyhow, will help your child recover faster. Over-the-counter pain medications such as ibuprofen and acetaminophen can help decrease throat pain and irritation. Don't give aspirin to kids because it can make them sick with Reye's syndrome, which can be fatal. Taking throat lozenges. Throat lozenges and cough drops frequently include menthol and other anesthetic drugs that numb and soothe the throat. To avoid the danger of choking, limit these to older children. The use of throat sprays. Over-the-counter throat sprays containing benzylamine, phenol, dibucane, benzocaine, benzyl alcohol, cetylpyridinium chloride, and chlorhexidine gluconate may give your child fits in the spelling bee, but they're anesthetic, Anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties are excellent for pain and inflammation relief.